This problem says that Haley has $155 in her savings and her brother Hank has $230. Haley is saving $10 each week. Her brother is spending $15 each week. After how many weeks will their savings account have the same amount of money in them? So let's go through the steps to solving a word problem. The first thing you were supposed to have done is highlight or circle or underline some key information. So some key information, I feel like in this problem, is that Haley is saving $10 a week. Her brother is spending. So saving means she's adding money into her account. Spending means he is taking money out of his account. And after how many weeks, we're looking to see if their savings accounts, when they will have the same amount of money in them. So same means equal. So we're going to go ahead and define our variable. What are we looking for? We're looking for the number of weeks. So X will stand for the number of weeks it will take for them to have the same amount of money in their account. So X stands for the number of weeks. And that you can find the information right here. After how many weeks? We're looking for the number of weeks. Now, step number 3, what are we comparing in the problem? Well, we're comparing Haley's savings account to Hank's. And we want them to be the same, which means equal. So let's go ahead and make an equation for each of their amount of money in their savings account. So Haley, she has $155, so that's our starting point. And it says that she's saving $10 each week. So if X is the number of weeks, an expression to represent the amount that she's saving would be 10 times X. Every week is $10, so 10 times the number of weeks. So she starts with 155, and we're going to add on 10 times X, where X is the number of weeks. Now let's go on to Hank. It says Hank has $230, but he is spending $15. So spending means you're taking money out of the account. So we're subtracting $15 each week, so that is subtracting 15x. So that is the equation that you would use to solve this problem.